In the example used in the previous chapters, we registered a task using a task type that we authored. In this chapter, we will demonstrate how to use built-in task types that Gradle provides. In the previous section, we looked at creating a custom task type and using that for a task. Now let's explore creating tasks using existing task types. Let's say we wanted a task that would zip the test results directory. Creating archives is a fairly common use case, so instead of creating a task type that would zip the directory, there probably is an existing task type that we can use. Gradle Build tool has many built-in task types for common scenarios. In the docs, if you search for DSL, and then click on any result in the Groovy DSL section, on the left menu, you can find the section titled Task Types. Here you can see all the available built-in task types. You can see there's a task type for zip. While we can read the DSL docs to learn more about the input and output properties, let's search the user manual for an example we can start with. We can search for creating archives, and click on the first result. There's a simple example of how to use the zip task type. We can specify the name of the zip file that will be created and where to put it. And also what contents to put in the zip file. Let's copy this example and use it. In the build file, we can paste the example. Let's call the task zip test results. We want to name the archive testresults.zip. This is what the output file of this task will be. We want to create this archive in the build directory itself. This is where the output will go. We want the contents to be the test results directory. This is the input for the task. Let's run the task. We can see the zip file got created. Using built-in task types can save you a lot of effort, so it's worth spending some time getting familiar with them.